Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use Spacedesk with a direct USB cable connection. First, go to your Windows computer. Make sure the Spacedesk driver is already installed. Open the Spacedesk driver console on your PC. You can find it in the system tray or by searching for Spacedesk in the Start menu. Once the driver console is open, look for a section called Communication Interfaces. Inside this section, you will see options for different connection types. Find the USB option. If you are using an Android phone or tablet, check the box that says USB cable Android. If you are using an iPhone or iPad, check the box that says USB cable iOS. This step is very important because it allows Spacedesk to communicate over the USB cable. Next, take a USB cable that supports data transfer and connect your mobile device to the computer. Avoid charging only cables because they may not work correctly. Now move to your phone or tablet. Open the Spacedesk Viewer app. On Android devices, the app should detect the USB connection automatically and connect to your PC. If it does not connect, check your USB mode. Pull down the notification panel, tap on the USB settings, and make sure the mode is set to PTP or transferring images, not file transfer. If you are using an iOS device, the Spacedesk app will show a message asking you to confirm the connection. Tap on Connect to continue. After a few seconds, your Windows screen will appear on your mobile device. Thanks for watching.